Welcome back to Isabella's Quick Recipes. Here I have some frozen Costco croissants and I'm going to show you how to make 4 different types of croissants today. And they're all very quick and easy. So let's go ahead and start off with the first one. Take your croissant. This is frozen. Right when I take it home from the store, I pop them right into the freezer because as you can see, they're very easy to cut and they make a nice clean cut thanks to all the layers and the light and airiness of it. The first croissant we're going to be making is a churro croissant. So you're going to take 1 stick of butter. This butter is softened and it's nicely at room temp. You could also melt it if you like. This is a 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Mix this together well until it forms a paste. And you're going to take your croissants and you're going to put a nice amount on the inside and then take the top part and put some more on top. This is going to create a crust as it bakes and it looks so beautiful with all the sugar and cinnamon. And once it's done, I'm just going to place it right on a baking sheet. On to croissant number 2. For this one, we're going to be making a apple pie croissant with a beautiful crumble topping. For the crumble topping, this is 1 1/4 cups of flour. I'm gonna mix it together with some butter. This butter is at room temp and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget that the complete recipe is always listed down below in the description. Mix this together up well until you form all these little crumbles. Some of them are big and some are small. I'm gonna place it to the side. And in my croissants, I'm gonna add some apple pie filling. Yum. Put the top of the croissant on and you're just gonna brush the top with a little egg wash. This is just egg with a tablespoon of water beaten into it. And you're gonna top it with all of those beautiful crumbles. Carefully place it in your baking sheets. And croissant number 2 is ready. For the next one, they're only getting better. This is gonna be an almond paste, a raspberry almond croissant. And we're also gonna use this almond paste for the last one, strawberry shortcake croissant. So add to your bowl 1 cup of almond flour with the 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of softened butter, and last but not least, a little teaspoon of almond extract. Mix this all up well until you have this frangipane almond paste. And you're gonna take your croissants and I'm gonna spread a thin layer of some raspberry jam. Just as so, very thin layer. And now I'm taking a bit of this almond paste and putting a little thin layer as well on top of the raspberry. Look at that, it forms like a swirl. The combo of almond and raspberry, it kind of is gonna taste like a Swedish princess cake. It is just the perfect combo. Put the top back on and we're gonna smear a little bit more paste covering the top. I can't wait to try these at the end. Now that I put all the almond paste on top, I'm gonna put some almonds on top. These are just sliced almonds. And this is gonna help the almonds adhere to the top of the croissant, creating this beautiful almond croissant. Look how pretty. Croissant number 3 is ready. Now for the last of these beauties, we're gonna be making the strawberry shortcake croissant. In a bowl, I'm gonna be adding some cornstarch. This is milk powder, which is gonna give it like that really, have you ever had a strawberry shortcake ice cream bar that really makes it taste like ice cream flavor with the milkiness? This is some flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, and last but not least, 2 tablespoons of strawberry jello. And this is gonna give it that really strong strawberry taste as well as that beautiful strawberry color. Mix everything up well until you form all these beautiful strawberry crumbs. And let me tell you guys, this smells exactly like strawberry milk. It is the most wonderful smell in the world. Now take your croissants, add another thin layer of that almond paste on the bottom. Don't go too thick because the thicker the paste is, the longer it's gonna take to bake. You gotta make sure that it's fully cooked when it bakes. Now take some more of that jam. You could use strawberry. I know this is a strawberry croissant, but I'm just using raspberry. Add a thin layer. And on top of the croissant, you're gonna add another thin coating of that almond paste. And then top the croissant with all of those beautiful crumbles. creating that strawberry shortcake ice cream bar look. Now croissants number 4 is ready. I'm gonna bake these for around 25 to 30 minutes. Look how beautiful, guys. Are these not the most beautiful croissants you have ever seen in your life? Now we need to garnish them, giving your pastry that special finishing touch. Very, very important. The almond croissant is gonna have a little dusting of powdered sugar, and the apple pie is gonna have a drizzle. This is just some powdered sugar with water. Oh my gosh, I have never been so excited in my life. Look at all these. This is the churro croissants. The outside is so crispy. Look at this. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Next, the apple pie croissants. Wow, that's a lot of apple. Cheers. Oh my god. Wow. I cannot believe this tastes like an actual pie. This tastes like a McDonald's apple pie, but better. This one I'm excited for. Never had anything like it. It's so tart and sweet. Very, very nice. The strawberry topping tastes just like that strawberry shortcake ice cream bar. It is insane. And last but not least, raspberry almond croissants. Wow, this looks like it came straight from the bakery, does it not? Look at the bottom. That tastes exactly like a Swedish princess cake. The flavor combo is out of this world. And there you have it, guys. Which one was your favorite? Croissant number 1, 2, 3, or 4? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoy croissant videos, check out my other ones. I'll leave them down below in the description box as well. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.